up, vlog?
Yo, what's up, man?
Oh.
Plumbing. Plumbing is essential in modern infrastructure. It is vital for health, hygiene, and comfort. It ensures clean water supply, efficient waste removal, and heating or cooling systems in the buildings. From sanitations to irrigation, industrial processes to fire protection, plumbing plays a crucial role. High-quality pipes and fittings are essential for reliability and longevity, meeting stringent regulations and environmental standards. Investing in well-designed, properly installed plumbing system is crucial for safeguarding public health, promoting sustainability, and ensuring the efficient operation of buildings and infrastructures.
Scaffolding, an essential component in constructions, provides a safe and stable platform for workers to perform various tasks at heights. The process begins with erecting vertical and horizontal tubes, known as standards and ledgers, respectively. These tubes are connected using couplers, creating a sturdy framework that can support the weight of workers and materials. Once assembled, workers can access different levels of the structures, facilitating tasks such as painting, plastering, and installation. In summary, scaffolding plays a pivotal role in constructions, providing a secure worker environment for builders while enabling efficient progress on project.
So, this is the booth of Daikin, who offers several models of air conditioning depending on use and location. There's nothing special about it or the difference from the other brands, but the one thing that they can offer is the quality of their product itself. And the picture, as you can see now, are the different types of ventilators. Each type has its own uses and purposes. And also, they have a different class of materials of products, varying from plastics and metals. Here, we just take some photos of the products with us, just for the fact that the videos and pictures we input are not stolen.
Hi guys, this Sector 2 High Volume Industrial Traffic Barriers. This high volume traffic barrier helps to guard against unauthorized access, tailgating, vehicle theft, and circumvention of paid parking system with its rapid lowering of the boom pole, thereby significantly increasing security. It is tough enough to work reliably no matter where it is installed. They developed the Sector 2 high volume traffic barrier and didn't cut any corners to ensure that it is a steadfast solution of the highest quality and durability. So guys, this brochure that were given to me about their company, as you can see, there are sample designs of elevators and escalators. This company has its own unique designs and plans. So what is electromechanical? Electromechanical technology or mechatronics is one of the most in-demand and highly sought-after careers of the manufacturing industry. The combination of electrical and mechanical skills based in computer-aided drafting and machine technology create a unique blend of knowledge desirable to industry.